welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jay. Today I have a couple errands to run. I'm going to the Nike outlet. What we finna get, I'm not gonna tell y'all just yet. Then after that, I need to go wash my comforter. I know y'all saw earlier that I was cleaning up, so let me go wash this comforter, girl. Then we need to head to the grocery store. Later on, we'll go to the gym. We were supposed to go this morning, but I wanted to clean up, honestly, so that's what happened. Oh, and I wanted to tell y'all, I went to see my PCP yesterday. If you don't have a primary care doctor, you should. Since if that man don't have a primary, you should leave immediately, expeditiously. Anyway, so I've been working on my blood pressure naturally, right? since both my parents have it. Well, my dad, God rest his soul, I think he had it. I'm not really sure. But I know my mama has it really bad and she's on medication for it. And I'm trying to avoid that. I don't want to be on any more medications. What I've been doing, okay, so it was like high previously in the previous months, but the only thing that was high was the top number. I think it was like 132/88. So the bottom number is good. So what I've been reading on is black people, they lack potassium and magnesium. Sorry, I had to turn on the air. It's getting hot in Texas. I'm not complaining though. Anyway, so yeah, so I've been taking magnesium at night, magnesium glycinate to be exact. Now I've actually been eating potassium, like eating avocados more, because I don't want to take a lot of supplements. I take a lot of supplements as it is. The other thing that I've been doing is drinking hibiscus tea. I heard that it was great for lowering your blood pressure. And of course you guys have seen me take my beetroot, the little droplets that I have in the mornings. So I think that's really been helping, you know, and plus like the exercising, the constant moving. So yeah, if you black, don't let them put you on blood pressure medication. Find out what's really causing it, you know what I'm saying? Like ask them to check your potassium, your magnesium levels, you know what I'm saying? Like eat, I know y'all probably don't want to eat this, but beets are good. Juice them, saute them, they're really good and they help with your blood. Pomegranates, y'all see me eat pomegranates. So yeah, I'm just trying to help y'all out. I feel like I be talking fast. I can't help it. I'm from Texas and I'm country with it, so I'm just a Texas girl. That's it. A Texas girl. Don't judge me. Anyways, y'all, let's get going because it's 11:45 and I don't really like being around people. You see that? I don't like being around a lot of people. And knowing the outlet is probably about to be packed, so let me just go. Yeah, I'll see y'all when I see y'all. Or I'll see y'all when I get there. From the Nike store. As y'all saw, I got the Nike Metcons for the gym. Good, I was about to buy some dunks because I've been wanting some dunks since years ago. So anyways, when I was trying them on, I forgot I left my thick ass socks on. So I wear 9.5, but when I put it on, I was like, hold on, big toe. Don't tell me I need to go to a 10 because I'm not. 9.5, 9.5. Thank you. But yeah, now I'm at the laundromat. I just put my comforter in there and I'm about to try this pomegranate tea. Not tea, but drink. So I'm kind of scared. 160 calories. We was worried about the sugar. There's 34 grams of sugar, but no added sugar. The total grams of sugar is all natural. The only thing that's in here is pomegranate juice from actual pomegranates. So we're good. We good. It's good. It tastes a little tart, but it's sweet. It's good. I picked up some sushi because I'm hungry. Yeah. I'm a little hungry. Well, a little, girl. It's a whole damn entree. Whatever. That's funny. Anyways, I do not eat this fake ass wasabi. Even if it was real, I still wouldn't eat it. Look at it. Don't it look good? It is. First of all, for this whole thing, it's 420 calories. And only 10 grams of protein. Ain't that a bit? But anyways, it's California, spicy California, and crunch Cali roll. Wrong for that. All them calories for that little of protein. That's crazy. But I love sushi. Do y'all know how to use chopsticks? I do a little bit. Just a little. Just a little. Ain't that what they do? I don't know, y'all. So don't give me the lie. Just gotta break it up a little bit. Here we go. Oh. Don't embarrass. Don't. It tastes fresh. That one had a little bit of the fake wasabi. Some crunch. You want some crunch on? Y'all, sushi be so good. I'm gonna go to a restaurant one day and get some because it should be so good. Okay, y'all, it was so packed at the stores, so I'm gonna just show y'all what I got. I did go to Sprouts after Aldi's, and this is what I got. So they didn't have like vegan, what is it, Parmesan cheese. So I just got the Italian blend with some vegan Caesar salad. And some vegan yogurt, Coco June. They didn't have the protein one though. Pretty upset about that. Then got some spinach, bags of romaine lettuce. Next we have green beans, strawberries and blueberries, raspberries and blackberries, some pomegranate seeds. Okay, we have sweet potatoes, avocados, cashews, walnuts, and macadamia nuts, garlic, hot sauce, 0 calories. Avocado spray oil, liquid egg whites, my low calorie, sugar free packages. Salmon, chicken thighs, ground turkey, 93.7. The only kind you should be getting. Same goes for ground beef. That's my water over there, so yeah. And this is our groceries for the week. Simple, clean ingredients. That's all you need. All you need is proteins, healthy fats, like a healthy carb, fruits, plenty of veggies, which is fiber. You're good. Just like that. I cannot wait to get into my bed tonight. Let me show you my shoes. Aren't these cute? I'm wearing these tonight because I do have pink in my outfit tonight. But these are so cute. I didn't want the all black because, what? No. But I like these. These are cute. I just had to, I just had to film another part for another video. But I'm in the car now. It's 6 o'clock now. Heading to the gym, y'all. We finally finna get it done. So tomorrow I'm waking up early to go on a hike. Girl, we back to hiking. I'm so glad too, because like the last couple of hikes we had to cancel because of the winter storm. I'm so glad. I don't know what I'm wearing yet though. It's just to go hiking, girl, but that's it. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna show anything at the gym. Maybe I'll get some clips. I'll probably get some clips. I don't know. We'll see. Because I am vlogging for another vlog. In the night, editing these vlogs and mapping out content for the next few weeks. So I want to try to get all of February content on paper, you know? So we shall see. I forgot to tell y'all, I do have my Metcons on. Let's go break them in. Yellow diamonds in the